Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Redlands local and long-distance movers near me. Your long-distance move can be very stressful without the right moving company. We make sure all your things are protected along the way. Whether you need to move 100 miles or 2,000 miles, we can make sure your move is done smoothly. Our team will offer all the necessary moving services, including packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. When you choose a California moving company for your local move, you will gain several benefits. We provide you more time to handle other things, such as getting your utilities switched over. You will also avoid injuries since you won't have to do any lifting. Plus, we know how to handle your items properly, and you won't have to recruit friends or family to help with your move. Hiring a good moving company like 3 Movers makes a big difference. We streamline your moving day and make your life easier. A move that could take you all weekend, we can complete in one afternoon. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Redlands moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.